Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is August 4th, 2019. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. We're going to do that for Litecoin paired against the dollar. We're going to try to give you our price movement forecast for Litecoin after the halving event. It's supposed to occur on tomorrow, August 5th, 2019. We want to see if we're going to get any price action going into that particular event. Thank you all for coming to our channel on today. If this is your first time, definitely want to make sure that you continue to support the channel by liking and sharing the video, and as well as subscribing to our channel to make sure you are always in the know of our anticipations of where we expect some of these altcoins and Bitcoin to go. If you want more information about how we're able to forecast price movement, or simply you want to accumulate as much Bitcoin and or Ethereum as possible through trading, you definitely need to become a member of ours on our website at HueFinancial.com. The link will be in the description of this video. So now let's talk about Litecoin and the last time we did our prediction for this coin, and it was right here. You can see it right here on the daily price chart, July 28, 2019, and you can tell that we expected the market in Litecoin to move to the downside, and it did. Okay, it didn't hit that $80 area, but we definitely was expecting it to continue to move to the downside right there around $84. So if you guys were able to catch this video literally after we uploaded it to YouTube, is when the market made the major dip in this space. Okay, so again, we knew that the market in Litecoin was going to move to the downside prior to this major long price bar occurring, but you can tell how it concluded. It concluded closing towards the high of the bar, and that's why the continuation of move to the upside continued after we placed this video on YouTube. All right, so again, if you was able to get out the market at the very bottom of this particular widespread bar, you would have gotten 7% out the market before we saw this move to the upside in price. Okay, so again, tells you that you're able to forecast price movement, and what we're going to do, get rid of it and talk about what we're looking at now in Litecoin. So now, right now, all in all, when I zoom out, I mean, there hasn't been a lot of price movement going on in Litecoin. We've just been trading within the consolidational range. This was our second opportunity for Litecoin to try to break above $100, and it wasn't successful. Okay, now this is positive right here around $92 to see the market in Litecoin hold that for support, and that's going to be the name or the number that we all need to focus on going forward in Litecoin after the halving event, and even before. It's going to be $92. That area has to be maintained for support in order for us to see a continuation of move higher. Taking a look at it on the very small time frame, I mean, weakness is dominating this coin as of this moment, but the market is trying to hold support at $93, ultimately $92. Okay, yeah, that's going to be very important for the market in Litecoin to hold $92. Okay, so we're going to have to play this one on a very small time frame. I mean, the weakness is present right now, but we're going to play it on a small time frame only, because there's still a chance for the market in Litecoin to hold $93 to $92. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this area right here for resistance, and ultimately I'm gonna hold $92 for support, but I'm gonna bring it back down to 90, 91. I don't think it's gonna go that low, but again, you never know with the cryptocurrency space. I mean, the weakness is definitely present in the market in Litecoin, so I'm looking for like another dip to the downside in Litecoin, and after that the movement to the upside should continue. It's a very, very good the market is trying its hardest to hold that support around 93. So that would be the only thing that would go against this particular trade that we're trying to forecast to happen is the market holding $93. And if you see the market hold that $93 one more time, then definitely our expectations is not going to come to pass. It's going to actually try to move higher. But until that time, we're going to expect Litecoin to continue its progression to move lower. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not looking for it to move substantially lower in price. Not much. I would TP the market at $92 as well. Okay, the only caveat is that 93 right now in the market, to where the participants are trying to hold this coin from moving to the downside. Okay, but all in all, movement to the downside is our expectation for Litecoin, because we're not capitalizing off of this push to go up bar that came in there. So we definitely got some sellers in the market to contend with in Litecoin. So before and after the halving event, I'm still expecting the market to really hold this consolidational trading range and movement lower. Okay, unless $93 is able to be maintained as strength, then the market will move higher. I just wanted to tell you all that too. So again, give us your thoughts, your opinion. Very easy to see and understand of what the expectation is of what the market has to do in order for it to move higher. But until we see that play out, it's going to continue to move to the downside. Leave us a comment section of this video. Make sure y'all maintain profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.